Hello everyone. So today we'll be discussing about a very important topic that has been on the rise, which is known as computer vision syndrome. In today's world, all our work and hobbies is involving a screen, and the screen time, which was earlier maybe 2 to 3 hours, has drastically increased to around 6 to 8 hours every day. Instead of going to offices and work, everyone is just stuck to the laptop, and the most affected community of this is our children. Instead of going to schools, they have to attend online classes, and their eyes are excessively working from the morning only. And in leisure time, what we do? We just see notifications in our phone, or watch television, or play video games. Again, the eyes are getting worked up. This has drastically increased to the incidence of computer vision syndrome. So what are the symptoms of computer vision syndrome? They are tiredness of eyes, blurry vision, heaviness in eyes, frequent headaches. So these are the common symptoms. Now, why is this disease occurring? So when we blink our eyes, blinking helps to keep our eyes moist, and it also helps in excretion of the minute dust particles which get accumulated in our eyes. The normal frequency is 12 to 15 blinks per minute. But when we are working or when we are fixing our eyes to a screen, this blink rate decreases. And eventually what happens is that the tears are not distributed throughout the eye. This leads to dryness of our eyes. And the second most important thing is that there are muscles in our eyes which help us to focus on any screen. These muscles are excessively used up, which leads to frequent headaches, tiredness of the eyes, and eventually blurry vision. Now, how to prevent this disease? First and the foremost important thing is to decrease our screen time. I agree most of you cannot do that because you are working from home. So what you can do is just follow a simple 20-20 rule, which says that every 20 minutes you look 20 feet away, focus on any object for at least 20 seconds. This will help to replenish your eyes of tears, of all the vitamins and minerals which are there in the tears, to relax your eye muscles. You can even close your eyes, but try not to rub them or press them. The second most important thing is you should eat healthy. Like every organ in our body needs healthy food, there are specific food which help our eyes also to remain healthy. You can eat vitamin A rich foods like carrot, spinach, green leafy vegetables, broccoli, etc. There are antioxidants in our eyes which you can supplement by simple foods like kale, broccoli, pumpkin, green peas, or dry fruits. So these will help your eyes to remain healthy. Rest, if you feel that you are not getting proper nutrition, you can take supplements as well. Next, we come to eye exercises. There are few simple exercises which help to keep your eyes strong. Simple exercise that you can do is take a pen, just focus on the tip of the pen, then you can move slowly towards your face and keep focusing on the tip of the pen till the tip gets blurry. And try to focus it for at least 10 to 20 seconds. Then you can repeat this. So this is a very simple exercise and it helps to keep your eye muscles healthy. And this is just the beginning. The screen time will eventually increase day by day, and it will lead to more cases of computer vision syndrome. So by following these simple steps, you can prevent your eyes from developing this syndrome and keep your eyes healthy. Still, if you have symptoms of dryness or blurry vision, do visit our clinic We will help you, we will guide you the correct treatment. Thank you so much. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel and continue watching us for more informative content. Thank you.